Si Randall.
Hello!
Hello.
Ang laki ng gift nga!
Sige, laki ng gift nila.
Uy, hindi mawawala. From Anna Friend!
Wow!
Si Lady.
Okay, ha?
Hi, Kukoy! Happy birthday! Wait, si Kukoy. Wow! Wait, Kukoy, gift mo? Wow! Wow! Sabi niya.
Long time no see, ha?
Ay, sabi yan. Stop natin.
Wow. Kumusta na? Congrats na.
Thank you, Dad.
Sige, word birthday.
Happy birthday, Coco! Ay, nilagay ko dun.
Saan?
Hindi ba dun yun?
Hindi kasi baka matakunan. Ay, birthday mo! Happy birthday!
Kokoy.
Uy, matulog ka na tayo kami pasok ka pa.
Inopen na niya? Inopen na niya?
Hindi ba po? Okay na ba?
Hindi. Mamaya na.
Okay, open kami. Grade 1 na kasi siya.
Dito na. That's it. Ang mapainit ng pizza.
Ay, ayaw! Ayaw mo?
Just 5 short minutes. We're all going to the beach. That's right, it's Chucky's Beach Party Bash. It's happening soon.
Hindi pwedeng i-post birthday card. Ay, wow! Ganda naman ng bag mo! Ganda ng bag niya, oh!
Maganda.
Ha! Wala na kami. Wow!
Happy si Kokoy. Dala niya yung maleta niya.
Hatak-hatak yan eh.
Here to dance with you to the beach Party Bash.
Thank you! With course and
Ay, nandun kayo yung mga kids.
wait, so for the adult? Yes. Salad. 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 dito ka nandiyan ka sa malapit dyan.
Dad, ang 60 inches kasya dun sa terrace namin. 60 inches.
Ha?
60 inches. Kasya dun sa terrace namin.
Ano ba yan?
Parang pool na maliit. Laruan niya. Pero ganun lang kababa. 60 inches.
60 inches? 60 inches is 3 feet.
Kasya, no? Pag nilatag ko to doon. Sa pinaka-terrace.
60, 24 times 2, 48. Ano malaki? 5 feet.
Yes. Sit down.
Kasi pinakain ko ng may ano, ayaw niya siguro.
Ah, baka
Yung
ba?
pepperoni.
You want more cheese?
Tapos yung nakain.
You want water? Water? Wala na tayo.
Are you ready to dance?
Ano ito?
Well, let's do it.
Business ko, madam.
Hurry back. And that's exactly what we're here to do. Have fun. Because it's summertime, we're going to do a fun new dance. It's the dance party back. Everyone spread out to give yourselves plenty of room and let's party. It's time to get together because the summer is here. The skies are sunny and the fire is lit.
Ganda mo na.
We're gonna have a party.
Ganda
We're
mo.
so excited. Beach party bash and you're all excited. Just partying with you is as fun as me. Come out on the sand and you can dance with me. Oh,
Ano siya?
we're having a beach party. Okay, now, follow me. Put on the sunscreen. I got the notion. To the beach ball. I got the notion.
Bye, bye.
Let's get some waves. So pedal out.
Pinakain namin sa bahay ng Rice eh. Kasi sigurado kami konti lang kakain. Kasi ang isip niya nasa lang.
Tapos ito, sinabi.
You know, everything is hot outside, but you all are super cool. Let's do it again. Put on the sunscreen. I got the notion. Put on the beach ball. Dive in the ocean. Let's get some waves. So pedal out.
Oh, get what?
Best beach party I've ever been. And it's all because you're here to party with us. Thank you so much for being with me today. And thanks for joining us here at the Beach Party Bash.
Ano ba mga drinks doon?
Ha? Nice ka ba?
Sumisigaw eh.
Nice ka ba?
Galit ka, galit ka.
Sarap balong ano, birthday toyo.
Yummy.
Ano po to? Ah, yummy. Alam niya,
Yummy.
yummy.
It's like
Oh,
a dog.
alam mo doon sa pinuntahan yung farm? Wala,
Apo?
abot na niya yung bike ah. Saan yung lugar?
Sa Simi Valley po.
Ah, Simi Valley. Oh, ganda.
Simi Valley.
Kahapon yun? Ng hapon.
Opo, halos gabi na.
Kasi gabi na eh. Siguro sabi ko sa mga,
Chicken.
hindi biyernes to kasi si Casey ng biyernes eh.
Opo. Hindi kami lumabas ng der.
Ah, kasi baka, ay ayaw na niya. Ito ah.
Water? Water.
Ito oh.
Water? Drink pa tayo.
Hindi raw nila kasama si Mare kasi may pinuntan pa silang birthday galing sila sa birthday pa rin. Oh.